It's now time to move about the planet. If you want to get something you never had, you have to do something you never did. We are going to the other part of North America called the Caribbean. We're going to Aruba, Barbados, and Jamaica. January 19th through the 24th, we will be in Aruba for Qigong Bootcamp. You will get 3 certifications. We're going to be staying across the street from the ocean. We're going to be swimming, dancing, drumming, and doing Qigong every single day. And we have time to go sightseeing as well. So click the link below for the rest of the details. See you in Aruba. I'm Dr. Chi Love for the Blue Dragon Qigong Academy.